Oh, there we are.
Nice. Yeah?
Yep.
Dongers.
Yeah, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. You're in my pedals probably. Uh-oh. All right, welcome back, guys. So today I'm teaming up with Fowl Mitten Outdoors. Casey here. Say hi, Casey.
Hey.
And we're out here with this boy Dylan and a good friend of mine, Paul, and a couple of these guys. I think it's their first time on kayaks, but we're gonna hit the Tahquamenon River today, try to get a couple musky, maybe some nice northerns, and go from there. Otherwise, we're just gonna see some killer what?
Scenery.
Scenery?
I'd say scenery, yeah.
Man, I had a hard time getting that out. Anyway.
You know, maybe we'll see some tipping over action.
Dude, there's about 5 million mosquitoes on you right now.
You too! Pterodactyls, dude. They're every...
Oh my God!
God, they weren't bothering me till you said something. Let's get out of here.
Well, we made the mistake of stopping. I have no blood.
Go, Jesus!
Dude, seriously, that's more mosquitoes I've ever seen in my life.
Go! Every man for himself! For the love of God!
I think that's in the plan.
Oh yeah. What do you think, Dylan? Earlier, me and Casey, the leaders of this bunch, we were supposed to go down and drop off a vehicle downriver where we're going about, I don't know, 10, 12 miles downriver. And we both jumped in the same vehicle and we're halfway out of here. And Dylan, Casey's son, says, "Hey, what are you doing?" And we're like, "What? Don't you have to drop a vehicle off?" "Yeah." Right. All right, anyway, I wish I wouldn't have told you that, but it happened. All right, see you guys in a little bit. A good opportunity to show them a real fishing kayak versus some shenanigans.
Yeah, we take it slow, man. Just stay in that shallow water there, kind of get used to it. Okay, or just push yourself out.
Everyone find their moving buddy.
Look at that, you know.
Look at that, dude.
Look at that, like a natural.
Looks good.
Looks like you should go live in Florida. Come on, guys.
All right, we're coming.
We're on our way. How do you get that rudder down?
Your top one raises her up, or I mean your bottom one raises her up, top one pulls her down.
Okay.
Pull it forward.
Got it.
Oh, I have cold water. This water is freezing. Feel the water.
Yeah, she's cold.
She's real cold.
Yeah.
Boys, this is a fine time to tell you that I was a bull rider. So this ain't nothing.
Oh, you're real good at bullshit. Oh, these things can handle even the size of us. So.
Yeah, well, we're about to find out, ain't we?
Yeah, it's all good.
Oh.
We were just talking about it. This'll be fun.
You got the flashlight, the Canon. You got another one she was going to send me? 3 times as bright as that one.
I think I just ate 5-10 bugs.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry.
Hey, traveling you first.
We're trying to be stealth, Paul. We're really trying to catch a muskie here. What's up? What's up, buddy?
You?
Do you like it?
Was it better in one of your kayaks?
I gotta admit, these are pretty comfy.
They're pretty comfy, dude.
Oh, there we are.
Nice.
Yeah?
Yep.
We got Pike or muskie, you think?
Oh, it's a dandy.
Muskie?
Yeah, looks like it.
Nice. Way to go.
Oh, your camera on?
Oh yeah. Yours?
Nice, tiger muskie.
That's a dandy. Let me get over there with a net.
Oh, okay. I was gonna try and get it from you.
Oh, that's a nice one. Nice.
Good job.
Nice fish, Casey.
Wear him.
Wear her down a little. Watch your
Like little dongers.
Yeah, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. You're in my pedals probably. She's a dandy. She's a dandy. Nice. Northern musky, dude. Nice.
Nice.
Nice
That
job.
was
Nice job, Casey.
Oh, you're gonna be on a classic.
Yeah, you told me that was gonna work.
On the old classic spinner.
Yeah. We back off a little so you can show her to the camera. Yeah.
What do you think?
Nice, Casey.
Let's get her back in the water, huh?
Copy that.
Pretty fish. Buy a kayak.
All right, man.
All right.
Nice job, Casey.
Send her home. You get a picture?
Let me get a fit.
Too bad.
Kind of spent too much time fishing. Probably gonna do 3 miles in the dark.
Tell us about the real wandering youper.
Well, there's not much to say, really. I took these guys out on a what we thought was a
2-hour tour.
2-hour tour. We're 3 hours into it and we're about quarter way.
Oh, it's not like we can't walk out here if we have to.
So yeah, that's the wandering youper. Just wandering around.
Just wandering around, middle of nowhere.
It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, and we're only quarter of the way.
Wow.
What do you think about cruising the last part of the trip through the dark?
You're not scared of the dark, right? I mean,
It could be dark by the time we get back, or back to the other vehicle.
It will be dark.
Yeah, we discussed it. We were thinking, well, we could turn around, go upstream back to the truck now.
I mean, Paul's kayak will light the way. We'll have him lead the way.
Oh yeah, we'll be able to see him.
Well, if we cover some water, I think we'll be all right.
Right.
We'll cover some water. We'll still get back by daylight.
That way, big daddy.
I think this is really the way to fish spots like this. You know, nice and silent for the most part. If you were one man, maybe two men, 2 kayaks, one kayak, 2 kayaks, whatever, and you could sneak down through here real nice and quiet, I think you could really do well. You know, Darren went back there probably a mile back. Yeah. We're catching up to you guys. Yeah. There was one in the shallow that went, I come up on him, he took off out of there. Everybody went right by him. Oh, no, yeah. Made a hell of a wake coming out of there. Dude, I can't feel them biting my face. It's so sunburnt, it's like leather. Dude, don't mess with it. That was the biggest beavers I've ever seen. I've seen some big beavers in my life.
Come on, man.
Dude, look at, seriously.
So, Darren,
Yes, sir.
turn your light away from me a little bit. How bad are the bugs out here?
Well, let me tell you, son.
Yeah, they're a little rough out here.
Look at dude. Woo! Get him! Get him!
Yeah, I don't completely got you on film. Ah! Okay.
You got it on film?
Turn off the light, please.
Huh?
Dylan, come here.
All right. We caught one muskie, missed a muskie, ran over a muskie, and we're having a real bug problem. I'll see you guys next time.